My pup loves the Shepherd Boy Farms freeze-dried raw alligator recipe. Let me tell you what I love about it. Shepherd's Boy Farm, this is the alligator recipe. It is made with freeze-dried raw alligator. It is a clean product for your pet. It's made with whole foods. It's got whole fruits and vegetables in it. This is a quality award-winning food. It was on something called The List, which is Susan Thixton, who is a pet food safety advocate. She has a list every year with the trusted foods on there, and they are on the list for 25-26. So let me read you what these ingredients are. It has alligator, flaxseed, goat milk, whole egg, organic sweet potato, organic carrot, spinach, apple, blueberries, cranberries, turmeric, pumpkin seed, ginger, cod liver oil, kelp, mixed tossifolius, a preservative, and then it has pro and prebiotics. So, and it shows you per the body weight how much to feed your dog. Crude protein, crude fat, fiber, and moisture. This is real alligator and very high quality ingredients. If nutrition is important to you for your pet, you can make sure that they are eating well with this right here. There are no synthetic vitamins or minerals, so I'm going to open this now, see what it looks like, and then I will go feed my dog. Interesting, it has a seafood-ish type scent. Let's see how my pup likes this. This tells you exactly how much for your size pet, which is very convenient. So mine would get about 2¼ cup. It also says you can use this as a topper for their regular food if you want to. So you could give them dry food or whatever, wet food, and then supplement it with some of this on top. Now it is important to note when you first start them on raw food, you introduce it slowly, so it has a chart there for that when you are starting them out, how much to give them. It's like 25%, I want to say, of this and 75% of their regular food, and then you slowly switch them until they are eating all raw food, if that is the way you're trying to go. But whether you're supplementing with it or using it as their main meal, it is a very great option for your pet. Another nice thing about this food is that it can be stored for up to 2 years. So that is a bonus, because you can buy this and keep it a good long time and don't have to worry about it spoiling. It's obvious that she loved the flavor, and it's also great for her. So that is just really nice to know she can have a nutritious meal that she enjoys.